Reports yesterday suggest that the police have identified the suspects, but the police haven't actually come out and said anything, have they? So what do we know so far?
Well, yes, this is all still unconfirmed reports, and in short, there's not a lot we can say at the moment, but it is believed that British police have cross-examined CCTV footage and border entry data, which led them to the conclusion that it was Russians behind the nerve agent attack in March on Yulia and her father, Sergei Skripal. As you mentioned, we haven't really had confirmation from the UK government or from counter-terrorism police. Indeed, yesterday we heard from the Security Minister, Ben Wallace. He tweeted saying that this is all ill-informed and wild speculation. Now, just to remind you, Yulia Skripal and her father, the former Russian spy, Sergei Skripal, were found slumped on a bench in Salisbury in March. They spent weeks in hospital before they were released. Yulia Skripal, on her release, said that the attempted assassination had turned her life upside down. At the time, the UK government did blame Russia. Russia vigorously denied any involvement. And as I said, we're still waiting for confirmation and clarification on this latest development.
Yeah, and of course, we have this inquiry into the murder of Dawn Sturgess. She is one of the two, along with Chris Rowley, who were the second couple of people who were poisoned with Novichok. Has this revealed anything, this report?
Well, at the moment, they are saying that the two cases are related, but there was an inquiry into Dawn Sturgess's death yesterday. It was opened and adjourned. The coroner said that he couldn't release a cause of death at the moment because they still needed more tests. One thing I will add is that Dawn Sturgess's sister read a statement saying that I was informed of a decision that had been made by medical staff saying that they would turn off oxygen supplies to Dawn that would likely result in her death. She then said her goodbyes and left the hospital. We're still waiting to hear from the police.